This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Florida Realty property video is presented by Randy Newman. This charming and well-maintained 2-bedroom, 2-bath residence with a 1-car garage is ready for immediate occupancy. Enjoy a bright and comfortable floor plan, along with a spacious, fenced backyard that's perfect for relaxing, entertaining, or letting your furry friend play. Conveniently located near shopping, restaurants, schools, parks, and major roadways, you'll have everything you need just minutes from home. Rent is $1,600 per month with a 12-month lease. First month's rent, last month's rent, and a security deposit are required. Pets will be considered on a case-by-case basis with owner approval. Don't miss this opportunity to make this wonderful home yours. Schedule your private showing today. For more information, review the details below or contact Randy Newman at 321-308-3268.